Miss! Loose ball and Phillips secures the rebound.
Minamalas pa rin talaga tong Converge. Trying to double.
Makalalag, bibigay kang Amos.
Abadam.
Abadam for 3. Oh! Was fouled on a 3-point attempt. With an 0-1 record, looking to make their first win sa ating tournament this year. As he hits the second, still has one more for Abadam.
Ray, maganda yung laban natin dito sa court. Sa comment section, maganda rin yung labanan.
Oo, maganda talaga. Lalo na pag meron tayong 8,000 nanonood sa ating live stream ngayong gabi.
Matindi rin yung bakbakan sa comment section.
You know what, kagabi din, Coach, parang umabot ata ng 10,000.
Wow, okay.
Yung live viewers kagabi.
Great, no?
And as of the moment, it's 104-101. 3 points is the margin for De La Salle. So both teams not yet in the penalty at this point in the fourth. Makalalag. Now kontra kang JL De Los Santos. Look at that pesky defense. Amos for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Shawnee.
Almost but not quite for Amos. Here we go.
Stockton. Atake sa baseline. Has to drill back out for the tie. Oh, that's an air ball.
I thought it was a good line.
Utilize. Makalalag. Kontra kang JL De Los Santos.
Uy,
Amos, puposting ngayon. Back out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and the shot! That's good!
The CJ Austria is crafty, no?
A gritty guard for the De La Salle Green Archers. 5 points is the lead. Arana. Atake down the lane. De Los Santos. Oh! Another missed opportunity for Converge. And that's a turnover for the white shirts ng Converge Fiber Xers. And Converge needs more offense as BJ Andrade will check back into the ball game. As JL De Los Santos will return to the bench.
Yeah, remember he scored 2 or back-to-back threes earlier, right?
Tatlong tres yun sa third quarter. It has been huge during that fight back for Converge after they were down as much as 19. Amos almost a strip. Makalalag able to recover and gets the basket to go. Another big shot for JC Makalalag.
Behind the neck shot.
Hirap nun, ha? Unreal.
Galing.
I mean, De La Salle putting on a show in front of the Davao Venue crowd. Shawnee in trouble. Balikang Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin.
Wow!
Gets the basket to go. Down to a 5-point game. Makalalag in trouble. Arana takes it away. Arana on a footway and jams it home. Scoring the last 4 points for the Converge Fiber Xers. 1 possession game.
Big basket from the big guy.
Phillips for the answer. Mintis gets it back. Wala, but a foul. 2 shots coming up for Michael Phillips. I've seen a lot of highlight reels tonight dito sa USEP Gymnasium as he hits the first.
No quit from this guy, Justin Arana.
And that is part of his character ever since playing with the Arellano Chiefs NCAA many years ago.
But on the other end, what can you say about Michael Phillips? He has been tremendous for De La Salle.
And the second shot is good for Michael Phillips. 110 to 105. 3:13 remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Stockton now against David Dungo. And look at that hounding defense mula kang Dungo. Stockton surveys the floor. There's a pick by Arana. He stops, slip. Arana gets to the basket. Draws the foul and one.
Ayaw talaga.
Make that 6 points.
This is a replay for Justin Arana. Ito yung ginawa niya kagabi.
Oo. Especially with that big shot to force overtime against Phoenix.
Correct. Scoring a bunch of points in the fourth quarter when you need it most. No?
Oo. And he scored 6 points in overtime. And a 3-point opportunity for Justin Arana to cut the deficit. He's hoping to cut the deficit to within 2 for the Fiber Xers of Converge. Remember, they're playing without their number 1 pick na si Justin Baltazar and their import na si Scotty Hobson. Misses the bonus free throw. And rebound by De La Salle. 3 minutes remaining. Kiambao. Bibigay kang Michael Phillips with 14 on the shot clock. La Salle on this big time half-court set. Austria against Stockton. Phillips trying to go on the attack against Arana. Throws it up. Wala. Agawa na bola. Phillips gets it back. 2 more shots coming up for Michael Phillips. You can feel the energy from the big man. Napakataas yung energy itong si Michael Phillips. Standing 6'8". Misses the first free throw though. 2.5 minutes remaining.
Yeah, if you would ask the question who wants it more, Michael Phillips would say yes, I do. I really want that. I want to win.
And for De La Salle, that's what Michael Phillips are hoping. They're looking for their first win sa ating Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. And there's still a lot more drama ahead in crunch time. Andrade in trouble. And Stockton able to break through. Almost slipped. Stockton in traffic. Arana kontra kang Michael Phillips. Inside! Another foul! And that will be against Michael Phillips. And Michael Phillips says
that inbound plays. He almost slipped. Really in control. Managing to dish off the last minute to Justin.
And I think Stockton could be 1 years for the Converge Fiber Xers. Another miss for Justin Arana. Remember last night he was shooting 6 of 12 from the free throw line kontra sa Phoenix.
Costly misses for Justin.
Lalo na dito sa crunch time. 1 for 2 from the line. Back to a 1 possession game. 111 to 108. Here comes Kiambao. Kasama niya si Dungo, Phillips, Austria, and Abadam. Phillips kontra kang Brian Santos. And a steal by Stockton!
Good swipe from Stockton.
Big time steal for Alex Stockton. Here's a 3. And he's trying to draw the foul. No whistle. Abadam steps inside. No. And a whistle.
Ay ko po.
Yung fouled attempt on the 3-point shot. It's the first. 1 more shot coming up for Earl Abadam.
Converge still trailing this ball game with 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining.
At ang Converge Fiber Xers hindi pa nila nakatikim ng kalamangan since the first half. And so far for the second half, Converge trying to break through the barrier, which is the defense of La Salle. And here's that last replay by Abadam. There's that contact mula kang Alex Stockton. As Abadam hits the second. 113 to 108.
It's really the defensive prowess of La Salle, no?
And this is going to be a cardiac finish for these 2 teams. Santos looks for the opening. No look. Magdenberg will try. 3-pointers good.
Big shot from the big guy.
The former Ateneo Blue Eagle drills his It's now a 2-point game. 113 to 111.
Eto na naman po tayo.
This is the 4th straight close game tonight sa ating tournament. Austria fakes. Balikang Dungo with 7 to shoot. Looking for the open shot. Phillips looks at the clock. He'll launch. He'll fire. Wala!
Nako po, eto na naman.
And a chance for Converge to tie or take a lead with a 3-point play.
Johnny wide open.
All the way. Blocked by Phillips.
Rejected.
And here comes La Salle on the fast break. Austria against Stockton.
Yes!
Woo! Clutch basket for CJ Austria after that emphatic block from Michael Phillips.
What solid screen.
By Kiambao! But wait a minute, a foul called.
Access denied from KQ.
Oh my goodness. And the crowd has fired up late on a Friday night dito sa University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium. I thought that was a block by Kiambao pero natawagan ng foul. And there's a coach's challenge from the side of La Salle.
Goodness me.
That was Sal.
Goodness me.
That was an emphatic rejection Yung kanina from Michael Phillips leading to that basket from CJ. Successful challenge. And there's that last replay. Take a look at Coach Cholo.
Boom.
And that was an athletic rejection almost, pero merong contact daw. There was contact spotted. And Shawnee Wilson will be tested at the foul line. And looks like the crowd is cheering against Shawnee. And the shot is good.
Calm under pressure itong si Shawnee.
Oh, tried and tested. But remember, he's shooting 72% during the Philippine Cup. Si Shawnee Winston.
One possession ball game.
Still has one more for Shawnee Winston, trying to cut the deficit to within a 2-point game. At babalik dito si Kevin Racal. And he's going to be subbed for defensive purposes for Converge.
Defense-offense substitution for Converge. As we have 54.3 seconds remaining in this ball game. Overtime na naman ba to?
Di ko pa masagot ngayon na Coach Cholo as Winston shot. No! And rebound by Phillips. It's a 3-point lead still. One possession game. Converge applying trap. On the backcourt, Phillips able to break through. Kicks it out. Tungo hesitates. And Kiambao almost slipped. Abadam, big shot. Oh! Backbreaker. Dagger shot for EJ Abadam. Timeout. Woo! Converge, Vibrexers. And there's our replay atid sa inyo ng The Royal Manea Hotel on 3 for Abadam. It's now a 6-point lead for the De La Salle Green Archers, 118 to 112. What a basketball game tonight, Coach Cholo, dito po sa loob ng USEP Gymnasium. And it has been a treat for the Davao NU fans. At 37 seconds remaining. Racal looks for the open shot. You have to make an opening. Santos with 13 to shoot. Launches. No! And a rebound by LaSalle. And here comes Kamba for the layup. Yes!
Umasok.
It's an 8-point lead. Shawnee for 3. No! And that will do it. The De La Salle Green Archers with a come from behind victory against the Converge Vibrexers. What a performance for the De La Salle Green Archers as they win this one by 8. And there's that replay hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. A superb performance for the De La Salle Green Archers as they earn their first win sa ating 39th Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament 2024.